Yo, bro, I'm gonna be late as hell today. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be late. I'm still pissed off about my force, bro. I gotta get them fixed. But I'm definitely gonna be late today. I was really supposed to basically take my other bike, but I ain't eat nothing. Also, I didn't do my electrolyte drink, cause I do electrolyte drink every day when I ride that bike. So I got energy and stamina and stuff. So I was like, dang, I do want to take the white bike, but I was like, nah. I don't have no energy for that. Also, I ain't even eat yet. So, pretty much. Only thing about this, I gotta get over. Yeah, start doing that. My forks fucked up and I'm jumping around. You can hear a clicking noise on my wheel, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna be definitely trying to see what time it is actually. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna be late, y'all. Today. The car's coming. I forgot my ticket. Is my camera on? Oh yeah, it's on. Yeah, bro, I forgot my ticket. So I'm kind of might have a sneak on the train. I ain't gonna lie. Might have to do it. But ain't nobody here. So, yeah. Usually what I do, I freaking find what's called again? I find tickets on the ground and I use them. When I lose my ticket, if I don't have a ticket, I just use them like that. But ain't nobody here yet, so the train not here yet, so. Oh, bro, this shit here, you pissing me off. I ain't gonna lie. Almost crashed. We're gonna head to Walmart because I gotta go pick up some steak. So I'm having tonight. Some Walmart. So yeah, I probably will pick that up. Head to Walmart. Really don't want to go to Walmart, but I got to. So let's get it. Ooh, oh my goodness, I almost ran over a lizard. Look, iguanas everywhere, bro. Iguanas everywhere. Thing about this, bro, I see more iguanas than squirrels in Florida. Squirrels and, bro, I barely see rabbits in South Florida. I barely see white rabbits. That's the crazy part. Shit, I didn't even see that speed bump. I'm trying to figure out, does she want me to go to Walmart or does she want me to go to somewhere else? What's up, guys? So we back. Just went to Walmart, had a slide there, pretty much. Other than that, yeah, pretty much. So what we did today, had a slide there. Don't worry about the bike. I'm gonna be riding more of the white bike, Luzo. I kind of miss riding that bike. It just today, I didn't have like energy. Also, like, you know, I didn't have breakfast. To be honest, bro, you need breakfast and you need like electrolytes, water. I didn't have none of that because I forgot to do it last night. I fell asleep last night, so basically couldn't do it today. So tomorrow I'll be on it though. So more videos coming soon with that bike also too. Yeah, but I'm still gonna be riding my, you know, my electric bike. I'm still gonna be riding that, but not like how like I used to. I'm gonna ride the more and more content on the other one too at the same time. But thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and peace out.